Today, we're going to hear from another epic case study. Vera Lynn, her story is amazing. She was a professional poker player, spent $800,000 on all kinds of clinics, doctors, treatments all over the world. She went to the best of the best of the best, yet after all of it, she still felt like shit. And so today, you're finally going to hear her story and how she finally overcame her severe health issues using our modern purification process. Let's dive in. We're here with Vera Lynn from Denmark, professional poker player, amongst many other things. You just had a 3-month journey with the mastermind. So how was your experience? Why don't you start telling people who are watching this?
When I joined the course, it was started taking off. I have done a lot of progress myself, but I was so confused and it was so much research and I didn't know what to start and how to do it. So when I joined the course, to begin with, it was a little bit difficult for me, but when I started the course, it was still easy to follow and I just followed the step. Yeah, I've done amazing. It's so simple and the protocol are so simple. So, and especially here the last 1.5 months, it's been so much better. I finally start to achieving something I couldn't achieve before. I'm doing a new personal project and I finally got that breakthrough. I got the energy. So I'm feeling really good.
Wow. So where was your health? Maybe can you tell us a little bit about your health crisis, how long ago that was?
Absolutely. In 2016, I was diagnosed with Lyme disease and I didn't know what it was. And I saw a lot of doctors, spend a lot of money. And I'm not lying when I said I spent plus $800,000 on private hospitals, supplements. So when I first saw you on Instagram back in the days, I was like, oh my God, he knows what I'm going through. He got it. So I bought your first course. And honestly, if you're just feeling a little bit off and you don't know where to start, it's the best investment I ever done. Honestly, I wish this course was there when I got really sick in 2016.
What do you get in 30 grand in 1 week versus like the 10 grand or 20 grand you invested with us? Like how is that compared? How do you compare that?
First of all, get the education that I need, the understanding, which is um, for me just crucial to continue the journey. When I go to a private hospital, I was in a private hospital in Germany for 3 weeks. I got in and they treat the symptoms, not the cause. So when I got out of there, I got like a little bit of a win, but it didn't last. And I was left on my own again. So coming into your course and also get the community, I will always have people available to me if I have any question and always a place to go to. So in that sense, because I got the education, I got the support, it's long term. So after those 3 months, now I can say, I'm fine. I know what to do now and I know where to look. And that's the most important thing. And also, because now I got this education, like you said, the cost is like 10K. It's nothing compared to what you pay when you get really sick and you don't know where to go.
Yeah.
So it's a good investment in
Yeah.
yourself.
What do you think about John and I as coaches and the differences of us and how we show up? Maybe you can share a little bit about us as coaches to people who are watching this.
You complement each other very well. I mean, you have like this power and everything, the education. But John, he's amazing. He's really, I mean, I think we felt really safe in the group, and he has a very non-judgmental way of being with us, a very calm way. So what I noticed during the course, and include myself, it was so safe to open up, and the way he just answered like every question so calmly without judgment. And you do that as well, but you more like get to the point. So it's kind of like, I mean, like no bullshit kind of thing. And I love that. You guys are an amazing team, and I wrote that to John as well. I really like that.
So did the course meet your expectations? Did it meet it? Did it exceed it?
Absolutely,
Uh-huh.
absolutely. It was actually better than I expected,
Mhm.
and it was easier than I expected. And like I said, even though I'm not in the course anymore, I know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
And also the way that you teach things like doing like the protocol, we really have to feel within ourselves and dig deeper and be willing to learn more. So even though I don't like do the exact protocol. I do like my thing in the protocol, and then you add a little bit here and there, and you can't make mistakes. So you just made the basic and how in the direction. And for me, it's just like I'm very confident moving forward on my journey.
Amazing. And how is your health now versus like, I guess
Do
Yeah.
you feel like you're in a totally different place? I mean, I know you had a pretty deep illness years ago, but do you feel like you're in a different place now versus when you first signed up?
Absolutely,
Uh-huh.
absolutely.
Okay.
I have 100%.
Okay.
Like for
Yeah.
now, I've been like figure out like what to do next. I have a lot of things that I want to do and achieve, and want to have more energy. And I wake up every morning and I get straight out of bed. I have
Yeah.
that energy now. Before I was like,
Yes.
oh, I was so tired, and I don't even need to have a lot of sleep anymore.
Yeah.
And it's just getting better and better and better. So it's
Yeah.
like slightly improving. I mean, those 3 months, if I had those 3 months back in 2016, I mean, I would have got so many precious years back, you know.
Yes.
So for everyone that's just struggling a little bit or feel off or whatever, I highly recommend your course. I mean, they will get educated and they will find a way and don't waste the precious years.
Do you have anything you'd want to say to people who are like doubting the cost or who don't want to pay money for their health?
I mean, you cannot afford not to do it, honestly. When I got ill, I was lucky back then in 2016. I had money. I could access the best doctors. I could go to private hospital. I could get all the treatments I wanted in the world. It didn't heal me. It didn't heal me. And I spent, like I said, I stopped counting, but plus 800,000. And so you can't afford not to. And also, like you said, I struggled for so many years. I really want to go back and live my life and create and be happy. I could have money, but I was just living there.
Yeah.
And now I finally got back to like I got it again, you know.
Yes. What would you say to someone watching this who wants to make their life better? They want to get healthier. They want to improve themselves. They don't know where to go or what to do. They don't know if this is worth it. What would you say to someone like that?
I mean, I made a commitment to myself in the beginning of this year that I want to invest in myself. And I knew if I wanted to go where I wanted to be at, it had to start with my health. Everything starts with your health. So if you want to start a business or you want to go out and whatever you want to do, you have to take care of your health first. And if you take care of your health first, everything is possible. So it's the most important investment you can do. It's not a scam. It's really, it is the best decision that I have done.
What was it about Josh and the detox dudes specifically that made you go, yes, I want to go this way, as opposed to,
You know, when you go on the journey and being so ill and nobody gets it, you go to one doctor after the other and he try to diagnose you. When I saw Josh's first video, it's like he's going through the same struggle as me. He gets it. You know, finally someone who gets it and not someone that's trying to prescribe you or diagnose you. So I really could resonate with that because you've been through the same pain. And for me, it's trust because I feel understood, I feel heard, because no one else understood it. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I like to take advice from the people who's done the journey themselves, you know.